Guys, what's going on? So I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner card trick. This is one of the first card tricks I ever learned, but don't let that fool you because it is actually a really amazing card trick that has a huge effect on the spectator, right? It's very cool, and I'm about to show you how to do it right now. So first thing you're going to do is you can go ahead and I'm going to cut up the deck real quick. Just try and really lose. Like, the order does not matter, obviously. As you can see, all the cards are, there is no like specific order to the cards or anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start laying cards down just like this, and at any given point, whenever you are ready, you can say stop, alright? Stop right here? Okay. Alright, so you could have said stop at any point. Alright. I would let my spectator choose a pile. Let's say it's this one. Flip this card over. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to show you guys. I have a prediction in this box. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box, just this card. I forgot. I should have introduced that at the beginning, but I forgot. So, 8. Alright, so that means deal down 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Alright, now check this out. Both 8 and in this box was my prediction. An 8. Okay, guys, so now here's how to do this trick. So, there is a setup, but it's okay. This is completely worth the setup. And I'm about to show you guys a false cut. Not the first one I did, like, not this one that I showed you earlier, where I, like, did the one-hand cut. I'm about to show you guys, like, a really easy false cut that anyone can do. It's fooling, but it's easy at the same time. So you're going to need a box, or you can just have it in your pocket. But obviously, just show that there's nothing else in the box besides your prediction. So just take one of the 8s. You can use any card, any number card. Don't use a face card or an ace. Alright, just use any number card. But that's going to, whatever card you use is going to make the setup different. And you're going to see what I'm talking about. So if you haven't, go ahead and take one on top, alright? So now, this is where, like, it differs on what card you have. I have 8s, so I'm going to put the cards in 8th and 9th position. If you had 5s, you put it in the 5th and 6th. If you had 6s, you put it in the 6th and 7th position. You guys get what I'm saying, right? So, seeing as how you have 8s, you're going to put it in the 8th and 9th position. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 2 cards go here. So, now we got one in the 8th and 9th position. Alright? So, that's going to be your setup. One in the box, one on top, and the 2 of them in the 8th and 9th position. So, that's your setup. Okay? So, now what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, so I'm going to cut up the deck. Now, let me show you guys how to do a really easy false cut. Basically, all you're going to do is swing cut the right, this into your right, you're going to take the top and swing cut it into your left hand, or if you're, left hand, swing cut it into your right hand, whatever. You're going to take this and swing cut it here, and then you're just going to kind of slide your finger on this and lay the bottom down really quick, and then put the top right around top of it. Basically, what you're doing is you're taking the bottom, laying it down, and then putting the top right back on top of it. It looks like you're mixing it up, and it's going to look a little something like this at full speed. See, it kind of looks like you're cutting the deck. So it's a pretty good false cut. You can just say, okay, we'll get the deck cut real quick. Alright, just like that. And don't do it more than once, or they might catch on. But basically, that's what you do. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to say, you're going to talk while you're doing this. You don't really want to be like, because you don't want them to say stop before you get to your 8s, right? You want them to say stop after that. So you're going to kind of stall. You're going to be like, okay, so I'm going to start laying cards down just like this. And at any given point, you can say stop. So once you're past 2 8s, you're good. They can say stop at any point. Say right here. So you're going to flip the cards over. You're going to say, okay, you could have said stop at any point. You're going to flip the 2 decks over. And you're just going to say choose a pile. If they choose this pile, then you're going to say, okay, so we're going to deal down cards, but know how many we got to flip over this card. Now, if they choose this pile, you're going to say, okay, we're going to flip over this card. It's going to be an 8 because in your setup, you had the 8 on top. And you're going to say, okay, it says deal down 8 cards. So remember, you had cards in the 8th and 9th position. So when you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you've laid the 8th card down that was in the 8th position, but left this card here that was in the 9th position, okay? So now you got 2 piles, and they both have 8s on top. So you're going to let the spectator flip it over. They're going to be amazed, and you say, okay, now remember my prediction, because at the beginning I keep forgetting this. And you show them prediction first. You tell them you have a prediction first. And you show them there's nothing else in the box. You show them that there's only a card. And you're going to let them take it out, and it's going to be an 8, and they're going to be begastered, whatever word you want to use. That was a pretty quick trick, but I am in a hurry. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys like and subscribe to the channel. And, yeah, that's all I got. So, see y'all later.